Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be setting up the Christmas tree. Usually it's our sister Dinya that does it.
We've actually never set it up ourselves, so this is going to be like the very first time doing it. So we're going to see how it goes. Hopefully Dinya likes it.
And Dinya is going to be judging at the end of the video.
Okay guys, so they're doing their thing right now. Aaron is going to do the bottom part, I think. Aaron, what part are you going to do?
Obviously the bottom part.
I'm going to do like the top part. I'm going to try to do the middle. I'm the photographer today. Our photographer can't be here today. But anyways, it started working. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so first you have to like stretch everything out. I'm going to do your part until you come, okay? Okay, no problem. They have no idea what they're doing, obviously. Is this a mistletoe? I think that's mistletoe, yeah. I know how to do this, so I've seen this in movies before. And I don't know what these two are for.
Damn, it's so hard stretching it out.
This is the thing you put around? There's the thing you put around it.
Did I stretch it out?
Aaron, I think you're doing a great job.
Yeah?
How about me? Moses, you're doing a great job. It looks like you're... Oh my god. I think I could discover a new way of actually doing it. Are you bringing the... Oh, okay. Aaron, what are you doing right now?
I am decorating the Christmas tree.
I'm actually way ahead of you guys.
Yo, we're almost done.
You're not even done with this shiny thingy yet.
Which one?
You just put it on top. I'm good, bro. Don't worry. I think the key to a great Christmas tree is the colors. Almost done, guys.
That's supposed to be up there.
Can I open the door?
No, you can't. Leave us alone.
I actually found a new way of decorating the Christmas tree.
Literally ways to actually make
circle this and throw it.
I'm not kidding, guys. It actually doesn't look that bad. We can actually do this for a living. We should. We can make a ton of money. Why do I feel like there's literally nothing on the back of the Christmas tree?
No, you're not supposed to.
There's literally nothing back here.
That's the area for the gifts.
Oh, okay, you put the gifts here. Okay, you're putting a joystick right there. Is that supposed to be a gift as well? For the lights, bro. I have to get creative. Your hand is literally filled with glitter. We're doing a great job so far. She's gonna be really happy when she sees that. I really can't wait. The thing is, I actually dreamt about this day.
No way.
Yeah. So what is like the number one tip you can give everybody that's like decorating? Get creative. Literally hugging the Christmas tree right now. And it looks so good. It looks really skinny though. Why are the parts falling? That's how it's supposed to be.
You're not doing it right. It's not falling. It should fall.
That's how it's done, right? Like you tie it.
Yeah. Safety first, bro.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Make sure you get every part. Shouldn't miss a part. If you miss a part, then you didn't do it right. Okay.
Wow. To get creative. Yeah. It looks good, that's for sure. This is amazing.
Thanks, bro.
Wow. This is amazing. Do you feel like it's lacking something?
Snow, guys.
Do we have wood? Tissue would look more believable.
Get tissue. I'm gonna try to get a little more creative until you get tissue.
I feel like this is gonna take a while.
No, it's just a couple of minutes.
You guys forgot the lights. I think you were supposed to install the lights.
You know where the lights are?
I have no idea where the lights are. Since we don't have lights, guys, we're using phones. Can you guys turn off the lights so we can see how it is in the dark? I think you should do like a montage right now. Alright guys, so they just got done decorating this Christmas tree and we're gonna call up Dinya right now so she can react to it. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be really proud, so you guys are gonna see her reaction right now. 1, 2... What do you think?
What is this?
What do you think of this Christmas tree, this talent, this art?
Do you want me to lie to you?
First of all, look at the details.
Come on, be honest. You don't have to lie.
She's speechless, guys. That's how amazing it is. Look at the details.
What is this?
Do you like it?
It's ugly. I think you guys could do better.
What do you mean better?
Huh?
What do you mean better?
It's good. For like your first try, it's good.
Let's ask my mom. Mama! Where are you?
يا سلام بدي
Do not mat banana.
ليه؟
Ew.
Hello? Mom's the best, man. She's always on it.
Mama حكيت زلمي.
دسيلوه خلاص ايوه هالدليل بس دسي بالزبالة
ماما حكيت زلمي.
لا بس دي اصفر بدي
أصفر انسى أرم قبرهم.
بابا صبت هذه
بابا أنا بحكي بسالف.
بزين وقال لي يا دنيا كم تاخذ كون الله همسي بس
Tila sa balo ba?
No, no, subuya lang. Tapos tayo. Huwag ko kunin yung black.
Alright everybody, that was the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. It was amazing. The Christmas tree was amazing. I think we did a great job. If you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and comment what you guys think we should do next and what you guys want to see in the upcoming vlogs. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.